Welcome. If you are looking for vibration settings in your KYOCERA DuraForce Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now tap on the sound and notification, and here we got the first vibration option. You can manage it with the switcher, and when you scroll down, you can find here also the vibrate pattern and vibrate intensity. And when you go for the other sounds, you will find here also the vibrate on the touch and vibrate on key press. And here you can also turn it on and turn it off with the switchers. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!